want to show you real quick how to use the internal invite forms and the external opt-in forms with your Review Me marketing system as another way to get more reviews and to get invitations sent out. So for the internal invite form, you just have to add invite in front of your Review Me marketing link. So I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to ask you for a username and password. So you probably don't know what that is if you haven't done this yet. So just send us an email and we'll give you your username and password to access your invite form. And you can add individuals one at a time, either to email or to text or to both. So if we do the email series, our default is to send 3 follow-up emails over a period of about 2 weeks. And as long as they don't click anything in the emails, they'll get all 3. But as soon as they click on the invitation in the email, then they will no longer receive additional emails. The other option with the text message, our default is to only send 1 text message in this follow-up sequence, but we can always add additional. So if you know you want to send multiple text messages automatically as a part of your system, just let us know, and then we'll add additional invites that will be sent out at later times. So email or text, you put in the name, put in the phone number, or you put in the email, the phone number, name, and click on invite. And those will start sending usually within 1 day. So it gets added to the system and gets queued up, and we'll start sending usually that same day. Your other option is to upload a list. So if you have a list, you can upload, and it just needs to have first name, last name ideally, email address, and phone number. So as long as you have those columns in the list, then you can do that. So when you click on upload, it's going to ask you to match the fields, and you can upload a full list all at one time. So that's the invite form. The other option, in some cases, if you're going to do a kiosk, if you just put opt-in at the front of this, it's going to show this form. So this form is typically might be something you do in a public-facing situation. So you might have an iPad sitting in the office, and you let people self-select to put their information in. So here they can select email or text, put in their information. It puts them in the same follow-up sequence that we have set up if we're doing it internally, and click on, they select send a request. And then that comes to their personal device. So we think it's best to have them leave the reviews on their own devices because they're already signed into their accounts and things like that, rather than try to leave reviews on different devices that don't belong to them. So this is one way to do that with the opt-in form. There's no login for this page. This is a public-facing page that you can use as you want to. So those are the 2 ways to use the invite or the opt-in form. If you need any help with this, please reach out. We'd be glad to assist you.